Hello guys and welcome back. First of all, thank you so much for your fantastic comments with the startup last week. What a thrill that was. Couldn't be happier with the way that went down. And so the next phase of this rebuild, is to get the bike roadworthy. So a couple of things that you may have noticed when I was riding or we had the bike in the garage. But in this video, we're going to be performing a little transplant operation. It's just a temporary and non-life-threatening procedure, but I'm going to remove the rear fender, the mudguard, off the Comet as my donor bike onto the Rapide. And the reason for that is I've got a set of blank mudguards and they don't have any holes drilled into them for the stays and other fixings. And so I'm going to take this one off here, transport it onto the Rapide, see if everything lines up, and then if it does, I'm going to use this mudguard as a template for drilling the holes on the new blanks that I have for the Rapide. Additionally, we're going to need the mudguard on the Rapide in order to fit and test the electrics, because of course it comes with a tail light and license plate assembly here, so that must go on the Rapide in order for this to be road legal. Same with the front end that I'll explain in just a second. And while I'm at it, I might just replace this one. I don't know if you've noticed, but I think this is off a Norton. My friend John told me he thought this was a Norton mudguard, so I'll remove this and replace it with this one as well, just temporarily again, for the fittings and the fixtures. And the license plate, O to be a V-twin or O to be a V2, will probably come off if I leave it on the Rapide for a little while.